Have you ever eaten meatloaf like these ones? It is budget-friendly and very easy to prepare. Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Lee's Kitchen. Let's start cooking. Let's upgrade the simple can of meatloaf. We need 1 can of meatloaf, any brand you like. Cut each side so that meatloaf becomes flat like this. If you are new to my channel, I will appreciate if you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell button for updates. And then we need flour, water, and mix it well. Dip in meatloaf into flour and water mixture, and coat it using breadcrumbs. Make sure you coat it evenly. Don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly. And then fry until golden brown. Set it aside, and let's make the sauce. And for the sauce, we need soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili powder, brown sugar, and water. And mix well. And now, let's add slurry to thicken the sauce. Just give it a nice mix, and we are done. Let's slice our meatloaf, for a nice plating. Now let's do plating. Put some sliced thinly cabbage on. And then put it into the top the fried meatloaf. Now, let's put it on the sauce. Look at that nice color, right? So yummy. And some sesame seeds on top, and it's ready to dig in. I hope you like our recipe. Thank you for watching our video. See you to my next one. Bye bye.